I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received the urgent message from E.T.'s teacher on campus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, a big problem is about 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the green planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose. Because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring the planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him. E.T. That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the green planet? You and E.T. will be making the 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, we won't pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Now that E.T.'s ready to go, so good luck everyone. And remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I. It's up to you to save this planet so that he may visit us again.
Feels like Tiger. Huh? Almost. So we turn this on. Definitely did.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got E.T. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
See, they're coming at us. The orange light. I see us. Go, let's go.
Hold it right there. You're under. Whoa!
Got him. At the bottom of the hill.
They're getting away. Look, they're flying.
E.T. Go to deep. Hurry.
Deeply out.
Welcome home. You returned to
Mad dog.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Goodbye, Lee, Aaron, Ben, Alisa, Sabrina, Nick, Chris, Fran, Jennifer, Javier.
Wait, did he come back? No, he didn't.
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle until you are asked to exit.